What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this Redmi Note 11 Pro. I have been using this smartphone for almost 2 weeks now and I think this is the correct time to do a detailed review video. I have got this 6 plus 128GB variant because I do not think getting a 8GB variant will increase performance. There will be a bottleneck because this one comes with a pretty mediocre, pretty budget chipset, MediaTek Dimensity 920. Well, at the beginning, I have a request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. And if you find this video helpful, if you want to watch more videos like this, then please subscribe to this channel and share the love. Well, let's start our honest review video of Redmi Note 11 Pro. Let's start from unboxing. The box is actually pretty simple, pretty similar to other Redmi devices. After opening the box, the first thing you will notice that the Dragon is back. Redmi introduced this Dragon on Redmi K series last year, and now we can see that Redmi is introducing this Dragon to Redmi Note series. On top, this is a small box, and I'm sure inside this box there is a TPU silicon protective case, there is a SIM ejector tool and some paperwork. Here goes the SIM ejector tool. Here is that pretty cheap quality TPU silicon protective case and some paperwork. Okay, underneath that's our Redmi Note 11 Pro. Let's put the smartphone aside for a while. Let's check what else we have got inside the box. There is a very good quality USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Wow, it seems like the cable is the same one that I have got inside that Xiaomi Mix 4 box. It's a good thing that Xiaomi has provided a very good quality charging cable in a budget smartphone box. Well, there is a 67 watt charger included inside the box, but this charger isn't the same as the one that we get in other Xiaomi smartphones. This 67 watt charger came in a Xiaomi smartphone box, and this smaller 67 watt charger came inside the box of Redmi Note 11 Pro. It's significantly smaller. If the performance is the same as the other one, I mean the bigger one, then definitely this is another pretty good inclusion inside the box of a Note series smartphone. Okay, it's time to unwrap our Redmi Note 11 Pro. This is our Redmi Note 11 Pro, and truly in hand this one feels amazingly better than any other budget smartphone. This one gives that comfy feelings which you would only get in upper mid-range or budget flagship smartphones. It doesn't only feel good, it also looks good. Moreover, it comes with necessary protection. This one is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. The matte finish at the back with gradient shade gives it an even better outlook. Truly, I couldn't expect anything more than this from a budget series Redmi smartphone. Considering its price and segment, Redmi Note 11 Pro gets 9 out of 10 for its in-hand feelings and appearance. You know what? This one comes with a 3.5mm port, a dedicated second speaker on top for stereo sound. This stereo setup is even tuned by JBL. Also, there is a IR sensor and secondary noise cancellation microphone sitting on top. Primary microphone USB-C port, compact dual SIM tray, and primary speaker is located at the bottom. There is nothing on the left side. I really like this flat design with the curves and comfortable edges. Volume rockers and power button all are on the right side. Redmi has integrated fingerprint sensor into that power button. You can see the side panels are flat, and you can even make this Redmi Note 11 Pro stand on its left side panel. This one has a big camera bump at the back. Rear camera panel is relatively bigger. I can understand the bump is necessary to house a Samsung ISOCELL HM2 108MP sensor, but I really do not understand why they have made the rear camera block so big. I have made a separate camera comparison video and I have dropped the link in the description box below. If you are interested, go ahead, check that. Yeah, I will also provide the link over here. Even if you use this Redmi Note 11 Pro with that crazily smooth 120Hz refresh rate, you will get more than a day. I actually do not do any gaming on this smartphone and I get around 32 hours. That's really long enough for me, and also within that 32 hours I get around 7 to 8 hours of screen on time. Thanks to its mighty 5160 mAh battery That's the main reason that I didn't go for Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus, because that one comes with a smaller 4500 mAh battery. Yes, that one got a faster 120 watt charger, but I believe that one will do more harm in the long run, and I prefer longer battery life. Also, the charger that this one comes with, the 67 watt charger, and that one takes only 18 minutes to charge this one to 42%. I mean, from 0 to 42% within 18 minutes. And if you wanna do 0 to 100% every day, then it takes around 46 to 48 minutes. As mentioned earlier, fingerprint sensor is on the power button and it works fine, very fast and smooth. But I have found it annoying that I have to pick the phone up to unlock it. And if you're thinking about face unlock, yes, this one also have face unlock, but that's not secure and usually I don't use that. Android 11 and MIUI 12.5 out of the box, and this one will get one major Android update, and this one will get updated to MIUI 13. I personally don't think that integrating 120Hz refresh rate to a budget smartphone is a good idea. I would love to see an option in between. I mean, 90Hz would be the best option in a smartphone like this. But as you all know, 120Hz is fast, smooth, and at the same time, it drains battery faster than usual. Let's talk about this gorgeous 6.67-inch AMOLED budget flagship class display. This display panel wasn't made for budget smartphones. I mean, this display panel belongs to budget flagship or super mid-range smartphones. And Redmi picked this one and slapped it on Redmi Note 11 Pro. So let's check how good is the performance. To me, this is the main attraction of this smartphone. It's a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel and it performs fairly well. I have tried to check Redmi Note 11 Pro display performance side by side with Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Despite a few color grading issues, this Redmi has done very well. Well, this is a budget smartphone. This isn't a gaming smartphone, but you can play games for sure. I sometimes play games. I've mentioned earlier, I don't do gaming on this one, but sometimes, once in a while, in rare occasions, I would play some games. And the truth is, really, you can play games. But if you want to play games like Mobile Legend, PUBG or Genshin Impact, then you have to sacrifice the graphics. You will not be able to get those extreme or high graphics settings. What makes me happy is it actually doesn't lag and throttling is minimum. Redmi has done quite an impressive job with this budget chipset. You can see, I have charged this Redmi Note 11 Pro to 100% and there is no application running at the background. Now let's check the temperature. Okay, it's similar to ambient temperature. Let's run AnTuTu benchmark and let's check what type of score this Redmi Note 11 Pro can achieve. $424,000 on this new version of AnTuTu is well enough. This is almost what I have expected. CPU, GPU and all the scores are pretty usual within the boundary of expectation. Temperature was increased by 6 degrees Celsius and 2% of battery got drained. Everything seems normal. Let us run the test again. We have to see what type of throttling is there. This is surprisingly amazing. 421,000 of AnTuTu benchmark score means only about 1% of the score got dropped from the first time. Remember, we ran AnTuTu back to back and in between this device did not even have any time to get cooled. I would say it's truly impressive performance. It has really managed to keep the temperature cool. It only got 2.5 degrees Celsius increased and battery didn't even get drained heavily. It's time to check the sound performance of this stereo speaker setup. First, we will listen how it performs on Oneplus 9 RT. Yeah, that one also have stereo speaker setup. And then we will check how it sounds on Redmi Note 11 Pro.
best days passes by.
Yes, considering the price, Redmi Note 11 Pro stereo speaker performance is amazing. Also, don't forget that we have 3.5mm port here on Redmi Note 11 Pro, which is pretty difficult to find on many other smartphones. Haptic feedback is okay, but not very good. It's better than before. I must say Redmi has used something better on this Redmi Note 11 Pro. The protective case that was included inside the box, it does the work. It doesn't look so beautiful, and if you really care about outlook and appearance, you shouldn't use this one. But if you are worried about protection, then you can use this one. This one actually adds some type of protection to this Redmi Note 11 Pro, but definitely doesn't make it look better. 5G speed, network reception, call quality, everything is fine here. Because I'm living in China, this is a Chinese smartphone, I haven't found any issue, and I have been using GMS, Google Play Store, all other Google services on this smartphone without any issue. Well, this is a very good smartphone. For the price, this is one of the best at the moment that you can buy. The Chinese pricing is really great. It's mouth-watering. It's even less than $250 for 6 plus 128GB variant. But I believe that when it will get released globally, especially in India and in Europe, then the price will get a bit hiked. And from rumors, I have heard that they're not gonna release this smartphone with a Dimensity chipset in India. This one will get a entry-level Snapdragon chipset in India. So that's a bummer, I think, because this Dimensity 920, from my user experience, I think this Dimensity 920 is doing good. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button, and if you have loved this video, if you have found this video helpful, then please subscribe to this channel, because there are more videos like this on this channel and more to come in future.